Sabaho everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about a super simple LED light bulb that gets powered directly from micro USB. It comes also included with a small solar panel so you can charge it on the go, meaning it's great for when you're going outdoors, camping, fishing, or even if you want to have this as part of your essentials in your earthquake preparedness kit. This is TK and let's go ahead and talk about this little guy. Now I want to mention to you guys the reason why I'm sharing this with you guys is I actually purchased a few of these for my own earthquake preparedness kit here in California. But the short answer is this is called the LightMe Solar Energy Portable and Convenient. It's a 15 watt rated LED light bulb. It has 130 lumens for brightness and rated to be used up to 5,000 hours. The benefit of this, it gets charged on the go by a solar panel that's included. Let's go ahead and open it up. So here's the package. The light bulb itself is already pre-assembled. There's nothing really to assemble. It does come with its own little hook. The best thing, if let's say you even lose power at home, you can just turn it on by pressing the power and then hang it from a higher position, and you'll notice right there the light works perfectly. It has one LED turns red whenever you're charging it and a micro USB port to be able to charge it, and of course the on and off button. This little hook is actually pretty good. It comes pre-assembled, no worries there. It's ready to be used up to 5,000 hours. And the one thing I want to mention to you guys, I purchased this 6 months ago and I had the charge in there. Haven't had to charge it since. It still holds the charge and it's ready to go. The main benefit, of course, is this little solar panel that gives us the ability of charging at it's actually 0.8 watts, with 5 volts. So it's going to be able to charge our device here. So you can turn it on, plug this in, put it outside the tent during the day or when you're walking around and let it charge up the light bulb. Overall, what I love about this is the portability and the functionality. Again, very simple, very easy, and I love it because here in California, we are a very earthquake prone state, so we do need to be prepared, and this is a must-have. And again, it could work with any kind of situation where you need to have something that you need light when power is out, outages or anything like that. It'll work. It's a great reading light. It works very nice. And it's just simple and very easy to use. So the intention of the video really is more to bring you awareness of the fact that something like this does exist. LEDs don't need a lot of power to be able to be used. And of course, if you have a built-in battery and a solar power panel small enough that actually can work and fit in most of your backpacks, you can take this when you go out, when you're using it at home, fishing, or even in case there's an earthquake or anything like that, or even power outages. Those still happen, unfortunately. This is going to be really great. You hook it up, you set it up, and the kids and the family is pretty much well lit. And then when you're done, just plug it in and leave the solar panel on the outside, and it'll charge itself during the day when the sun is up. I like it. It's easy, it's cheap, and it should be pretty simple to add to anybody's emergency kit. Like and subscribe as usual. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, this is survival tech, and I really wanted to share this with you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the next video.